Hi, it's Nazim. We'll bring a short introduction to reverse ASIN keyword search tools. ASINASIN reverse keyword search tools can show the degree of attention, popularity, market demand, and overall insights of the product under each traffic word. Simply start entering your ASIN after selecting the market location and time. Hit the search button. This is the basic information of your ASIN. You can open this product page on Amazon and quickly access the Other Tools button here to analyze this ASIN quickly. Here is the display of all variants of the ASIN to find out the best-selling variants with the most traffic words for this product quickly. You can just click on the variants to open a details analysis of that variance. This section shows the proportion of organic traffic and advertising traffic word among all traffic words. You can click on the Organic Flow section to hide it and compare the proportion of advertising traffic word distribution location. On the right side, you get each single word frequency count and proportion sorted display from high to low. The search results display detailed information about the words on the first 3 pages of Amazon search results in the past 30 days. The proportion of traffic shows the total exposure proportion that this word brings in percentage and number value. The third line means whether this traffic word is a main, accurate, or accurate long-tailed traffic word based on the traffic ratio, the exposure it brings, and the search ranking position. The traffic word type shows you the specific location of the ASIN exposure and the search results of the corresponding keywords. The organic ranking and advertising ranking column shows you the absolute ranking position, the actual display page, of the ASIN under these keywords, and the last data update time of organic and advertising search results. Here you can see whether this keyword is trendy, seasonal, or in declining trends. Amazon Brand Analytic or a BA ratings show you the competitor and keyword search frequency ranking of this ASIN. Then you have a monthly and daily search volume of this keyword, seller sprite ranking, monthly purchase volume, and purchase rate of this product by searching with these keywords. You can also know the total number of related products in all categories appearing after searching with these keywords, and the supply-demand ratio according to the search volume and available products in search results. Finally, you can check the search interest rate of these keywords in Google Trends. Get the usage instruction for the field you don't understand by putting the mouse on the question mark. If you have any problem while using it, please feel free to contact our WeChat customer service and online customer service.